Uh,
Oh, hi, hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Oh,
good evening.
good evening.
Hello, how are you, hello today?
Doing good.
You are good, yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
wait a minute. Did you finish your final exam on your schools?
Yeah, I already did
You already
last
did,
week.
okay. So it's already school break, huh?
It's class meeting, so I still have to go to school tomorrow.
Oh, why? Why do you
Yeah,
need
it's
to go to
class.
school?
It's class meeting. Class meeting.
Oh, oh, class
Yeah.
meeting for like competitions between
Yeah.
classes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Competitions.
competitions, and also preparing for the Christmas celebration
Yeah.
or not?
Yeah. There's like a Christmas celebration as well.
Oh, okay. Okay. So we'll start our lesson today then. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll continue our lesson from the previous one. Do you still remember what we are already learned on the previous lesson?
CSS, right?
Yes, it's all about
CSS.
CSS, and today we'll continue. Wait, let me share my screen to you. Okay, so you already learned about the selectors and also classes, and today we'll continue learn about containers. So, what is a containers?
Containers.
Containers. Just in the general term, what is a containers in your thought?
It's like to store like something in like a
Yes,
specific place. Yeah.
yes. To store something like a specific place. Totally correct. Wait. Yeah. So when we are talking about containers, it's like yes, it's like storaging something, or you can make a kind of places for several HTML tags. Yeah. Now, for example, you have this one, the contents of a product card. Now, we can make this one as a container. So there is a similar things with a div tag in HTML. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So CSS, what does it stands for?
Uh,
Or
it has
for
something
what?
to do with style, right?
Yeah, it's
It
related to styling the HTML documents.
style.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can change the appearances of your HTML tag. So it's really depend on your apa on your preferences. Okay. So today we'll learn about the div and also span containers. Yeah. So container in a general sense is a re- receptacle for storing something. Yeah. So it's like a grouping HTML elements. Okay. So there are two types of containers. There are block and embedded. Yeah. So for the block, a block element is an element that occupies the entire available width and always starts on a new line. Okay. That is a block container. Yeah. So block elements in HTML like this, and also for the CSS like this, the reference. Yeah. So just use the HTML tag and then the brackets. Yeah, the common one lah that we always use, previous one. Okay. So if you want to use the div, yeah, a block container is formed using the div tag. So you can use like this. Yeah. So you just call the div its element and adjust it in the CSS tag. Okay. So the div, all of it, yeah, that is
Okay.
contains other HTML will have similar style. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so an embedded element is an element that is part of a line and occupies exactly the space that is necessary to display the contents, display its contents. Okay. So, for example, you want to use the button, yeah, and then you can use that to styling it embedded element in HTML like this. This called the button, yeah, then it will
Uh,
style, okay,
Okay.
like that. Now, the result will look like this, yeah, button and also link. Now, the embedded containers are created using the span tag. We can enclose part of the text into span and apply different styles to it. For example, you want to make only a selection of the HTML tag, so you can use the span tag. Then you can style it in the CSS file. Okay,
Wait,
so it will change. Hmm?
you have to be span?
It has to be
Like the
span.
that's to be span.
Yes, and it's placed inside other HTML tag, not like div. So div it's like a separate it's
Like
like a
a
different,
whole
yes, a different HTML tag, right? So if you want to use the span, it's inside other HTML tag.
but oh, what if you want to make like containers and group different,
Nah, so this one is a
like the
containers.
color? Yeah,
This one we call as a containers.
the span counts as
This
containers.
the span is like we can call it as a containers. Actually, the div also containers. Yeah, so in the materials that already told, there are two types of containers. Yeah, which is the first one is this one, yeah, the block and also the embedded.
Block and embed.
Yeah, so there are two types of containers. Okay, have any questions
I just wanted to. Can you go back to the other
to the span?
the thing? Yeah, the span. Like I wanna see like this the group the text group in there is gonna be that colored in that font weight, right?
Yes.
If I wanna make containers like something like that, but I wanna make a different one, do I have to
Yeah.
still use span?
Yeah, you need to use a span, especially if you want to style only several parts of your HTML tag. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, continue ya. Nah, important rule, there can be any number of embedded containers. So you can use span or you can use, but you cannot put a block container inside an embedded one. Yeah, so you cannot do like this. Like, you can put the span inside the div, but not div inside the span. Yeah, it will not it will make the CSS file
Yeah, yeah.
not working.
Is the span supposed to target like a specific one, right?
Yes, span is like always in the inside of other
Yeah, in a
HTML
block.
tag. Yes. Now, the display property. So with the display property, we can make a block element look like an embedded one and vice versa. So for example, the inline value turns a block element into an inline element. You just use the CSS and display is inline. And then if you want to use the display block, that will block all the line through the horizontal of your website. Yeah, it will block all of it. Okay.
If it
Now,
has like a link,
yes,
if
it's
the
like
link is like
an address.
really long, like
It's like a really long.
really long link, and that's why the display is that far, like the
Yes.
block. Okay.
like that. And then the inline block value allows element to have the characteristics of both block and inline elements. Okay, so you can use inline block combining both two types of display. Okay, have any questions?
Yeah,
No?
no questions. Yeah, no
No
questions.
questions. Okay. If you don't have any question, we'll continue. Now, the next one is positioning element or pseudo classes. Pseudo, have you ever heard about it?
What pseudo?
Yes, pseudo classes.
I've heard of pseudo, but I don't know what pseudo classes
So what is a
is. Yeah.
pseudo instead?
Yeah. I only heard of it. I still don't know what action is.
Okay, so a pseudo is like an artificial or something that replicated thing. Okay, so it's
Okay.
like the cloning of a thing. Yeah, so we can call
Okay.
it as a pseudo class. And how the static value is applied. So you can use the second block and position static. It will make static for the website. Yeah. Now, if you want to change, oh, I want to make the block not in this in
Line all straight line.
yes, not in line. So you can use the relative. Relative, it's really depends on it's more flexible. Yeah. Now, if you want to use the absolute, then it will, after changing the position of the second block, the position of the other element has also changed. So if you want to use absolute, it will um, put, yeah, the block above other blocks. Okay. Now, so when we're talking about pseudo classes, so you can use, let's consider syntax of using pseudo classes. So if you want to make the dot text colon active, that means it's a pseudo class name. Yeah. Now, how can you turn on that pseudo classes? So, for example, you can use hover. If you have a mouse and then just hovering the button, it will execute the styling of that tag. Yeah. So there are hover, there are active. If you click it, then it will change the style. Yeah. And then, yeah, there are active and also hover. Okay. There are two types of pseudo class. Have any questions?
Wait,
So
so
when
what's
we're
the quick
talking
one?
about pseudo classes, it's like giving some animations.
Okay.
Okay. Have questions?
So how does the click one work again? Like if you click on it, it's gonna change or
For the hover, you don't have to click it, but for
yeah,
the
for the
active,
pseudo,
yeah, you need
yeah,
to click it.
if you click and then it's gonna change. Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't have any question, you can share your screen. Open your browser and open the Alcanova account. Yeah. Please open number 6. Okay. So for this one, there are wait a minute.
Wait,
Hmm, there are block element, correct. You can set its yeah, this one is span, the middle of it. Yes. No, by default. You need to change the by default. The it can is the span. Yeah, like that. Okay. Number three. Yeah, so you need to
Okay, so you need.
modify the CSS file. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, you can read the questions. There are styles for the P, span, and
Uh,
outer classes.
Hold up. Alright.
We can start by, okay, if you want to use start from the letter. Yes. No, you just directly use like
Yes.
this, yeah.
So,
You don't have to
oh,
put the style. Just call the attributes and then the values.
it's close to the on or.
Mhm. Okay, and the P, cool. Number four, this one you need to change the HTML file. So read the question first.
Two different. Minute live.
You need to change, the head is already correct. Yes, you need to put the div.
Right here. Alright. So there's two different.
Yes, there is also a div. So there are two div.
And then another div in here.
No, to be specified, like this, yeah. So for the first div, you already correct. And for the second one, you just put it as is, as it is. Yeah, and then put the close div at the end of it.
Wait, so there's two diffs? Oh,
Yeah, there are two divs.
so then, but then what? A class product. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yes, the HTML first.
This change this or not?
Uh, for the CSS, just leave it
Oh, it's don't need to
Uh,
change it.
yeah, you need to answer it later on the number five. The class div. Yes. Okay, cool. Uh, Wait. For the IMG, you don't have to use the
Oh,
class tag in here.
well, it's still
Special characters must be escaped. What's wrong? I think
uh,
you need to put some spaces in here.
the
The
space.
SRC. This one.
Oh, oh, image. What about this one?
And then this one also for the, yeah, you need to put some white space, yeah.
Okay,
Set.
so I need space.
The white space is important.
Yeah.
Yeah, read the questions and then put some CSS stars, yeah.
It's not.
Mm-mm.
This display.
Display inline, yes.
Display environment.
Inline block. Okay, try to play it. Okay, similar one, eh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes. So
Have any questions for this one?
no, yeah, no, not really.
Not really. Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Number two. Hmm, for the static, it's supposed to be like here. And for the relative, yes, correct. Okay, continue.
Okay.
Yes, there are two correct answers for this one.
The correct statement is not. So okay.
Two
It's
correct
like
answers, yeah.
so those like to make it look right.
User actions, yes.
Somewhere click.
Hmm.
So
On a web page, no.
uh the special keyword?
Spatial keyword indicate the correct statement about pseudo classes. So spatial keyword like hover, like
And
actions, it's
action,
called
yeah,
spatial keyword.
special.
Yes.
The
Continue,
HTML
yes.
tag, that it?
No, only two correct answers.
Oh, okay. Select
Nah, this is the syntax. You need to put yes.
this, this, still this,
Pseudo class, no. It's using the brackets.
or like
No, no,
this,
only the open brackets.
or just property. What's it? What is the property?
This one is colon, this one is semicolon. Yes, and
Semicolon.
then the end of it,
Yeah. This
the close, the close brackets.
this.
Okay.
So offset to the left.
Okay, so you need to change the CSS file only.
Yeah. This. That's this. Supposed to
No,
position or just instantly left.
no, like that. The first block. Have you read the first one?
Yeah, it
Okay, the
said
second
the
one.
first block the second one.
Ah, absolute property to all three blocks. To all three blocks. So you just need to use wait the position using block. Yeah, like this. The position is absolute.
Or just make a
Hmm. And then the left and top, it's changed.
wait, does it have to be first before like the
The
brown
order is
color?
not.
No,
I
not really,
think.
right?
I think it's similar.
It's for all of it.
Okay. Sip. Yes.
Yeah.
Continue number five. So what do you need to change? Uh, CSS file only. Yeah. Yes. Mhm. The semicolon. Okay. Cool.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, Pseudo elements. So
Wow. This is what and pseudo element.
yes, you need to change only in the CSS file again and try to use the hover actions. Okay?
On
Hover
this,
action only. And also active.
hover and active on this Bible, right?
Yeah, you can see it from the example. what will happen if you hover it and also play it, click it, I mean.
I need to.
Like that, okay? Okay.
It's in the button. Product item.
Hmm? So you need to only add the,
Hover.
yes, the button hover area.
Wait, so it's in the button. Oh, why is there another hover in the?
No, 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 no. Remember about the hover, right? So you need to
Yeah.
call the first is, wait, you can go to the HTML tag,
Yeah.
and then we can see in here is this one, yeah, for the div. We'll change it if you hover it, and then it will give you some style. Nah, so you can put a new like this, not put hover inside the product item, yeah. Delete it. Oh, no, 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 no. You don't have to delete it. Apa, you don't have to use the previous one. Just add
Oh,
another one. Yeah, it's like other things. No, not inside.
what? We'll
Yeah,
make
it's a
another one.
new. Yeah, it's a new part. Ah,
Uh, yeah, and then
okay. And then the next one is hover
the
for the button and then button active. Yeah.
wait, so there are two more, like product item hover and product item active.
Now, so for the hover button, you can use like this. Product item hover and then button.
And dot button.
Yeah, and dot button. Nah, okay. The next one, the last one is the button active. If you click it, then it will change the effect. So how can we do that?
Wait, this one's still not like doesn't hover the bottom.
The spaces again, the spaces again. You missed the spaces. This one. You need the spaces in this one. No, no before, yeah.
This
Uh, just play it again.
oh, it's
Over this one.
well, that's not working.
It doesn't work.
When it's like this, it works.
No, you type it incorrectly. It's supposed to be like this. Product item hover and then button. No, 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 no. That's already correct. No, no, no.
But this is product item.
So there are three types. This one, Ello. Okay. So for the first one is already correct. Just put another one.
This is like
Is it working?
Uh, we need space.
Yeah, I think it's paste again.
I kind of hover. And now the buttons are hovering.
Um,
I don't hover the buttons. It's not really space.
mm, product item over. Ah, it's work. Hey, huh. Yeah, just call the button then, yeah, instead.
Instead of the product item.
Check all the boxes and then submit, yeah.
Uh, okay. This is what. Let's see.
Read the
And,
question first.
and the first child and last child's new classes. Right. And stars to the pizza.
So you need to change the HTML and also CSS, yeah.
Yeah. To add the span or what?
Yes, not a span. So for the title, for the H1 is already correct. You just need
To
to
add
add span
span
inside the paragraph. Yes.
for like this, the ones that are bigger, right?
Yes, like that.
Is it span class?
Span class? No, just only span.
The span? Oh yeah, because it's all the same. That's yes.
Body H1 is already correct. Just use the P and also the span, yeah. Huh.
Ah,
Yes. Uh,
it's the line height.
for the P tag, yeah. Line height, only for the P.
Ah,
Just line height too.
just two.
Just two.
Oh, pixel, just two.
And then span, the last one.
Ah,
Ah, cool. Okay.
little dip.
Have any questions?
Uh, it's kind of different a little.
Yeah, different a little bit, yeah, but I
Yeah,
think
but
just miss the
I
D.
think it's the text. I think the text
Yeah,
from here is different actually.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
okay.
okay. Back to profile. Okay, that's all. Have any questions? Just review for the containers, yeah, for number
What?
6. Review it. Maybe you have any question before we dismiss for this class today.
Not really any questions for containers.
Okay, so the next one is will be about the layout design. So we'll learn about Figma later on. So you will use the browser of the Figma. Have you ever heard about it?
Oh, I haven't heard of
Okay,
Figma.
so we'll use it. It's like a Canva, but it's more like for the designing website and also other digital apps. Yeah, for using the Figma. Okay. So
Okay.
if you don't have any question, we can dismiss our class for today, and I will see you on the next session. Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Goodbye.